ka anyị were ire anyị gụọ eze anyị ọnụ ndị Igbo ebee ka amamife anyị dị onye na-akpa ego ya na-akpa uche ife niile a na-akọ bụ na ha menyenwe onye Igbo ọchịchị na kpuo naba negodu ife a na-eme mgbe anyị ejiri ọchịchị negodu ka esi jide obodo na-aghasa kama onye Igbo ya baịkwa ya obodo aghasa so ife ọpụta bụ ka anyị kwuo ka anyị si edozi be anyị ebe a ka m kwụ ka anyị begodo doziwegodo anyị Igbo ka anyị megodo ka akụrụ ụlọ ka anyị were ofu obi ka anyị fụ na onwe anyị n'anya onye mejọ onye gbagharụ onye ru ya gbagharụ nwanne ya ofu obi ịdị n'otu igwe bụ ike ọkwa be nna ka a na-ekwu okwu ya otu a ka ndị Igbo dị ewe nye anyị
that we are parasites, that we are useless, that they are going to teach us a lesson 2027, that even if Tinubu excelled me something, my Calabar lecturer once told me something. He said, never ever in your life trust a Yoruba land. He said, if a Yoruba man shake your hand, he mean maybe or no. While in your heart, he mean yes. While in his heart, he mean no. He said, if a Yoruba man nod his head, he mean no. They are hypocrite in nature.
There were some palliatives, or AJ breaking fast for Lent and Ramadan. The Imo we are living in today, if we all be honest to ourselves, is the best Imo we have ever seen. Oh, yeah. We are not stupid people. We are not hopeless people. We see and we understand and we feel. Even if you don't see, you can feel that there is a proper breeze blowing around Imo.
I want to in a very special way thank you so much for this wonderful privilege you have given to us.
Excuse me. This is a check of 200 million to purchase the nomination form of His Excellency come 2027. You will guide us, you will direct us, you will lead us. The money is there. You pray for us. You tell us when to go and when to stop. Excellency, you come accordingly.
Whether President Tinubu will win 2027 election, has he got any person contesting against him? The election is Tinubu versus Tinubu, like it was Soludo versus Soludo. You saw it, and I said it before. People say, "Oh, are you Abga?" Let me tell you, if you read the meaning, I have not seen any coalition opposition against President Tinubu. The president have no opposition. We have our party is fully on ground. Our party is fully with the people. Our party is fully justified with people. So we have people on ground. Nobody can say that we don't have the people